Alright guys, so what is a pip in Forex? A pip is going to stand for point in percentages. And a pip is going to be the unit of measurement that we're going to use to express the change in value between two currencies. So let's just say you open up your chart, right? And you bought from here, you bought from this demand, and you took it all the way to the supply. So let's just say, for the instance of this example, we're just gonna draw it out. Entry was here. On the lower time frames, you had tighter stop, you had your confirmations, and you took it all the way up here, right? And let's just say that you put in a standard lot. You traded a standard lot on this trade, right? So I don't know if you guys remember, but the standard lot is going to be $10. Now, from this point here that your trade got triggered to this point, if we press shift and right click, and we measure all the way to this point on, it's going to give us the measurement in pips of this whole move. So it's going to be 79. This whole move is 79 pips, right? So let's just say, let me take out my calculator just to have it ready. Let's just say that you threw in a standard lot, which is $10. 10 times 69 pips is going to equal $690. So you profited $690 from this move. A pip is basically super simple. It's just what we use to measure the moves. Usually on the side right here, you can measure the pips starting from the fourth decimal point. The fourth decimal point to the left is how you're going to measure the pips and moves.